everyone. Thank you very much for being here again with me. And I am so thankful for all your support. Now, as we can see here, I have my Alltrue box, and this is my fall box. And this is also my last Alltrue box. After this one, I didn't get any more the winter box. Okay, so this came open, like damaged. This box looks like this, and even here it says the attention customer received and sealed, and it's the post office here that put that sticker there. Okay, so let's open this one, and there you go. That's what you can see when you open the box. And this is a magazine. It says all good things, and like here it says fall of 2021. So I don't know if this one will tell me what's in the box, but I'm not sure. Okay, so there's a lot here, and I'm not gonna put too much what do you call that, information about what's inside. Okay, and the cover here is Sophia Rowe, and she's a chef and an activist. Okay, there you go. And next one here, as always, there's a postcard. Okay, so the first one here is, what is this? It's a Bemakai Eco Beauty Think Towards the Sea. And this is, oh, it's a hair towel wrap. I like this kind of thing. And this is how it looks like. I'm not sure though if the cloth will be absorbent, because it's like microfiber. Okay, and next one here is, what is this? Headbands. Okay, let's open it. Oh yeah, it's Headbands of Hope, and there's 2 pieces in here. It says Headbands of Hope. And oh, for every item sold, a headband is given to a child with an illness. There you go. And there's a picture here of a baby girl. Okay, that's a good one. I'm happy to get that. What do we have here? Okay, let's take this one first. And this one, what is this? It's a Nourish Skin Nutrition Balm Vegan from Huna. What is this? Okay, let me see. I cannot read it. I need my eyeglass to read it. Is this a moisturizer? Maybe it's a moisturizer because it says Nourish. Okay, and I'll read more about that later. Now the next one here is Botanica Autumn Sunset Persimmon with currant, cobra, and mandarin. Oh, it's a soy candle. 100%, I don't know if you can see that, soy candle. And it says limited edition. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, and this is, I can't see where is this from. US probably. see anything. I don't know. And that's how it looks like. It's pretty cute. There you go. I'm gonna smell. Smells good. I'm happy to get this. I'm excited to use this one. Okay. Next one. What is this? Ooh! I think this is the one I was hoping to get. And this is from Wanderlust, and it's a portable speaker. It's color white. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it's pretty sealed. And that's what it says. Okay. Should I open it? Maybe. No. I don't want to open it anymore. It's made in PRC. Okay. Should I open it? Maybe I should open it. Oh, let's open this. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. There's the manual, quick start guide. That's what it says. Oh, it can also do FM connectivity. Here you go. And ooh, it's cute. So these are the, you know, the ones you put the connections or cables. Yeah, it's pretty good. Cute. It's cute. Ooh, I'm happy to get this one. I think this is the best one I got from the box. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 items in the box here. Oh, this is a very good box. I'm gonna double check this one. Maybe there's any more? I don't think so. Nothing here anymore. Yeah, there's no more. I don't see any more here. There's no more. Yeah. That's it. Okay, so we have, what we have is 1, 2, 3. Let's put it there. 4 and 5. So that's what we have for the box, and I think I forgot already how much I paid for it. I'll check later how much I paid and I'll put it on the screen. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for supporting me, and I know I'm quite lazy right now to put any videos, and hopefully I will put more in the future. And once again, just stay safe all the time. Let's always do the 3 W's, which is wear a mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands all the time. Okay, so see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.